pepper, onion powder, and a little of my favorite prima donna soul, bless the Lord, seasoning. So then all you do is you take a little Ziploc bag, put a little flour in it after you season it. Shake it off like you do the devil. I had to do that today because everybody tried it today. So like, throw that on in there. Look at that, baby. Hallelujah. I don't know if you ever seen ugly pork chops before, but these are not ugly pork chops. I'm going to take them out, and I'm going to show you how to make a quick gravy. Now, how long it's been? Like 15 minutes? 10 minutes? Not long at all. I'm going to show you how to make my real fast, quick gravy. Onions. So I poured most of the grease out, and because I'm making a lot of gravy, it looks like a lot of grease, but it's definitely not a lot of grease. You keep the drippings in there. You add like a cup of flour. Like I said, I'm making a lot. And then you're going to add your onions. And you don't need to put no... See, I told you guys it's not a lot of grease because it's getting cooked. The flour and the onions. And do not add no more seasoning. Not just yet because, remember, that's why you kept the drippings in the pan. So you want to let this like... You're going to wait till you get it brown. And I went on ahead and... I tasted it and I went on ahead and seasoned it a little bit more. And then you're going to get... Look how brown and beautiful that is. You get a half a cup of chicken broth and a half a cup of water because you don't want it to be too salty. You put that in and you mix it. You want your gravy to look like this. It looks crazy, but you just got to mix it. And you might need to add a little bit more water. But I would just make sure I use my water and chicken broth to the equal ratio because it's going to be too salty. If your gravy look like paste, it's okay. That just means you need to add a little bit more liquid. So I'm going to do my chicken broth water mixture. Now, and even if you over season it, you can always tone her down with a little water and just mix her. Remember I said I was making a lot of gravy. And if it's already your desired season to it, just don't put no chicken broth in it. Just, mix it with the water. So we're going to let her simmer for like maybe 10 minutes. And then I'm going to add the doggone pork chops. See, that was super quick, right? So once you get your gravy, your desired thickness, I like mine a little thick. You just want to go ahead on and add these beautiful pork chops back in here, Becky. And you cover them in the pot. That's why I like a lot of gravy because I don't, if I'm doing gravy and onions, I'm doing gravy and onions. And I let her simmer for like 3 or 4 minutes and let everybody get to know each other, all the seasonings and flavors. And voila. And this is the final product. Look how beautiful that is. I paired it with drunken broccoli because I'm not doing rice right now, but usually I have rice with it. But it's all done in 20 minutes and it's absolutely